The solar system is a gravitationally bound system comprising the Sun and the objects that orbit it, including 8 planets, their moons, dwarf planets, and various small solar system bodies such as asteroids and comets. Formed approximately 4.6 billion years ago from the gravitational collapse of a molecular cloud, the solar system is a complex and dynamic structure that continues to captivate scientists and enthusiasts alike. The Sun, the heart of the solar system. The Sun accounts for about 99.86% of the solar system's total mass. It is a nearly perfect sphere of hot plasma, with nuclear fusion reactions in its core converting hydrogen into helium, releasing energy that radiates outward as light and heat. The Sun's immense gravitational pull governs the orbits of all the bodies in the solar system. Planets of the solar system. The solar system consists of 8 planets divided into 2 groups, the inner terrestrial planets and the outer gas and ice giants. Inner planets. Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, with an average distance of about 58 million kilometers, or 36 million miles. It has a rocky surface with numerous craters, similar to the Moon. Mercury's core is composed largely of iron. Mercury has a very thin atmosphere composed mainly of oxygen, sodium, and hydrogen. Due to its proximity to the Sun and lack of a significant atmosphere, Mercury experiences extreme temperature fluctuations, ranging from -173 degrees Celsius, or -280 degrees Fahrenheit, at night to 427 degrees Celsius, or 800 degrees Fahrenheit during the day. Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun, at an average distance of about 108 million kilometers or 67 million miles. Venus has a rocky surface with mountains, valleys, and numerous volcanoes. Its surface is hidden by thick clouds of sulfuric acid. Venus has a dense atmosphere composed mainly of carbon dioxide with clouds of sulfuric acid, leading to a strong greenhouse effect. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system, with surface temperatures around 465 degrees Celsius, or 869 degrees Fahrenheit, and atmospheric pressure 92 times that of Earth. Earth. The third planet from the Sun, Earth sits at an average distance of about 150 million kilometers, or 93 million miles. It boasts a diverse surface featuring vast oceans, sprawling continents, towering mountains, and deep valleys. Structurally, Earth is composed of a core, mantle, and crust. Its atmosphere is primarily made up of 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen, with traces of other gases. Remarkably, Earth is the only known planet to support life, thanks to its abundant liquid water, suitable atmosphere, and favorable temperatures. Mars. Known as the fourth planet from the Sun, Mars is located at an average distance of about 228 million kilometers, or 142 million miles. Its rocky surface is home to the largest volcano, Olympus Mons, and the deepest canyon, Valles Marineris, in our solar system. The surface is covered in iron oxide, giving Mars its characteristic reddish hue. Mars has a thin atmosphere composed mainly of carbon dioxide with traces of nitrogen and argon. Evidence of past liquid water is present in the form of dried riverbeds and polar ice caps. Outer planets. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun, at an average distance of about 778 million kilometers, or 484 million miles. It is the largest planet in the solar system, composed mainly of hydrogen and helium. Jupiter has a small rocky core surrounded by a thick layer of metallic hydrogen. Its atmosphere is characterized by colorful bands and the Great Red Spot, a massive storm system. Jupiter also has 79 known moons, including the 4 large Galilean moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, and a faint ring system. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun, at an average distance of about 1.4 billion kilometers, or 886 million miles. Saturn is the second largest planet, composed mainly of hydrogen and helium, with a small rocky core. Its atmosphere features bands of clouds and storms, similar to Jupiter. Saturn is famous for its extensive and complex ring system, composed of ice and rock particles. It has 62 known moons, including Titan, the second largest moon in the solar system. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun, at an average distance of about 2.9 billion kilometers, or 1.8 billion miles. Uranus is an ice giant, composed mainly of hydrogen, helium, and ices such as water, ammonia, and methane. It has a blue-green color due to methane in its atmosphere and a relatively featureless appearance compared to other gas giants. Uranus has an extreme axial tilt of about 98 degrees, causing it to rotate on its side. It has 27 known moons and a faint ring system. Neptune. Neptune is the eighth and farthest known planet from the Sun, at an average distance of about 4.5 billion kilometers, or 2.8 billion miles. Neptune is similar to Uranus in composition, being an ice giant with a mix of hydrogen, helium, and ices. Neptune's atmosphere is characterized by strong winds and storms, including the Great Dark Spot. It has a deep blue color due to methane. Neptune has 14 known moons, with Triton being the largest. It also has a faint ring system. Dwarf planets and small solar system bodies. Dwarf planets. The solar system contains several dwarf planets including Pluto, Eris, Haumea, Makemake, and Ceres. These bodies are similar to the main planets but have not cleared their orbits of other debris. Asteroids are rocky bodies that primarily reside in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. They vary in size and composition, with some being metallic and others rocky. Comets are icy bodies that originate from the Kuiper belt and the Oort cloud. When they approach the Sun, their ices vaporize, creating a glowing coma and often a tail. Meteoroids are small fragments of asteroids or comets. When meteoroids enter Earth's atmosphere and burn up, they create a streak of light known as a meteor. If a meteoroid survives its passage through the atmosphere and lands on Earth's surface, it is called a meteorite. Interesting facts about the planets. Mercury. Mercury has the shortest orbital period around the Sun, taking just 88 Earth days. It experiences the most extreme temperature variations in the solar system. Venus. Venus rotates in the opposite direction to most planets, meaning it has a retrograde rotation. Despite being farther from the Sun than Mercury, Venus is the hottest planet due to its thick, greenhouse gas-rich atmosphere. Earth is the only known planet with liquid water on its surface. It supports a diverse range of life forms thanks to its favorable conditions. Mars is home to the tallest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons. Mars has been a primary focus in the search for past or present extraterrestrial life. Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a massive storm that has been raging for at least 400 years. Ganymede, one of Jupiter's moons, is the largest moon in the solar system, even larger than the planet Mercury. Saturn. Saturn's rings are the most extensive and complex in the solar system. Titan, Saturn's largest moon, has a thick atmosphere and liquid methane lakes. Uranus. Uranus's extreme axial tilt causes it to have unique seasonal variations. It has the coldest planetary atmosphere in the solar system. Neptune. Neptune has the strongest winds in the solar system, with speeds reaching up to 2,100 kilometers per hour, or 1,300 miles per hour. Triton, Neptune's largest moon, has geysers that spew nitrogen gas. The solar system is a diverse and dynamic collection of celestial bodies, each with unique characteristics and intriguing features. From the scorching surface of Mercury to the icy expanses of Neptune, the planets and other objects in our solar system continue to be a source of fascination and discovery. Understanding the solar system not only helps us comprehend our place in the cosmos, but also provides insights into the processes that shape planetary systems throughout the universe.